What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You know what time it is? It's time to paint William's wing. Alright, so 2 weeks ago I installed his wing on his 2018 Civic 4-door. Well, now he returned it. I took the wing off the car and we're gonna go ahead and lay some paint on it. First things first, we're gonna disassemble it, right? We got the 2 support bars. And we're gonna take out the LED. From there, we're gonna sand down the casting marks, the cheap ass casting marks that came onto the supports, onto the wing supports. After that, we are going to sand it down after we grind it down. Lay on some primer, and then base coat, clear coat, right? Simple. And of course, you guys know that we need to pick up paint at your local paint store, or you can order online. Okay, so in other cases, if the wing came like bare plastic, I would tell you to scuff it with the gray Scotch-Brite pad. But in this case, it's already primered, it came primered, so just my luck, it's all good because I didn't get primer anyways. William, if you're watching this, it's all good, alright? Don't worry, it's primered. So I did buy base coat. Here, color batched it with his car according to the color code and VIN. Alright, so I'm gonna cut the bullshit. I'm just gonna go straight to the point. Okay, I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do, how I'm gonna do it, when we're gonna do it. Well, right now, obviously, but yeah. So here's the base coat. Alright, it came in a 1K or 1 part, which means there's no hardener. It's just base. This is solvent base as well. What's the color? It's modern steel. Okay. And to finish it off, to give you all that bling, all that, the hell I just fucking said bling. To give you all that shine, glamour, whatever, it is called clear glamour. It's a 2K clear, 2-part clear. With this, you pop it in, it's hardener, and it gives you that extra shine and durability. So I didn't really think this through. There was no way for me to like support it. It's like a paint both top and bottom side at the same time. So I went ahead and painted the bottom. I skipped that, so I'm just gonna show you me painting the top. Alright. So we're gonna lay down the base coat right now. We're gonna do about 3 coats. So while I let that first base coat dry on the main part of the wing, I painted the wing supports earlier. Check out that. There's no clear on there, it's just base. It's nice and flat. Now I can't wait until we throw in that clear. So typically, I don't know, I'm not a professional, but when I see people use a paint gun, they go this way. But this doesn't have enough pressure to shoot and blow a fan big enough to cover it. So I just go ahead and do small passes. That's what it says on the directions on here anyway, so whatever works, right? I mean, it's coming out pretty good so far. It's a really hot day today. It's nice because it's helping the paint dry, but it's windy as hell. And I'm trying to really lay this in a nice smooth coat. We just finished 3 base coat while it's drying. Right now I'm gonna go and shake this up, and then we'll be all set to lay down clear. Base coat has dried, or somewhat. Fuck it. And that is the final coat of clear. What do you guys think? I'm not a professional. If you are a professional watching, any tips? Okay, besides not to use a rattle can? Do it again. Okay, that concludes today's video. Thanks for watching. If you have any tips, fuck you. If you have any tips or questions, comment down below. Like I said, I'm not a professional. I do this because it's cheaper than going to a body shop, and it's fun, you know, learn as you go. And till then, I'll see you next time. One more thing, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you next time.